Good morning to the students of class 1. Today we are going to begin with EVS chapter 2, and the name of our chapter today is Our Body. So children, let us open our books and get started. As you can see on the screen, I have opened your book. Okay, and here, as you can see, is our starter activity. Look at the question that is being asked. Write the names of the body parts being used for doing each of the following activities. सबसे पहले तो हम ये देखेंगे कि कौन सी एक्टिविटी हो रही है एंड देन हम बात करेंगे बॉडी का कौन सा पार्ट यूज हो रहा है इस एक्टिविटी को करने के लिए. So what is this girl doing? Yes, you are right. She is cycling. So which part of the body is she using the most? Yes, she is using her legs. Look at this. What is this girl doing in the picture? Yes, you are right. She is smelling a flower. So which part of the body is she using? Yes, you are right. She is using her nose. Let us come to the next picture. This boy is carrying a pot. Which part of the body is he using the most? Yes, he is using his hands. Here, this child is really enjoying. He is listening to music. Which part of the body is he using? Yes, you are right again. He is using his ears. Fantastic. Children, our body is the most wonderful gift that nature has given us. Our body is made up of many parts. Each part of our body is important. Each part of our body has a different name. Let us open our books and look at the different parts of our body. Children, you can see the head, hair, eyebrow, forehead, ear, eye, nose, neck, shoulder, mouth, chin, chest, elbow, so many more parts of the body. Look at these parts, the lips, the teeth, the nails. So our body has so many different parts. What are the functions of our body? What is our body supposed to do? Children, do you know our body is just like a machine. It can perform so many activities using different parts. Our feet can help us to run, skate, skip, walk, jump, and dance. Isn't it? Look at these pictures. That will make it more clear. See, these are the things you can do with the feet. Our hands help us to hold, write, throw, pull, play tabla. Isn't it? In the same way, we have our sense organs. These are special organs which are the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Our eyes help us to see. We smell with our nose. Our tongue helps us to talk. We taste food with our tongue. Ears help us to hear. We touch and feel with the help of our skin. These are our sense organs. Children, one thing which is very important is that we must take proper care of our body. For keeping good health, we must have healthy habits. We must keep our body clean so that we keep healthy. And to stay healthy, here are some points. Look at this box. We chew with our teeth. So we must keep our teeth clean. Brush your teeth up and down and inside. Can you see the pictures of how to brush your teeth? We must wash our hands with soap after using the toilet. We must brush our teeth twice in a day. We should wear clean clothes every day. We should always eat fresh and homemade food. Always drink clean water. We should follow these points to stay clean. What are the points? Cut your nails regularly and keep them clean. Take a bath every day in the morning. Comb your hair every day. Wash your hands properly before eating anything. Rinse your mouth after every meal. All love only those who are always clean. Okay, children, let us recall our body is made up of many parts. We can perform many activities using different parts of our body. We all have eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These are called sense organs. Children, last but not the least, always remember that we must take care of our body. With this, we come to the end of EVS chapter 2. Goodbye and have a nice day.